This is my custom bike check. The frame is a red We the People Sleepless that I got on warranty because I cracked my trust. It's a 21-inch top tube, and the seat clamp is sleepless. The seat is a We the People Trust pivotal seat. The headset is a Primo headset, and the stem is an Animal Jump Off remix with shadow hollow bolts because I stripped out my other ones. And the bars are 8.5-inch rise and 28-inch wide. And the grips are called the Heart grips. They're a little worn out, but they're still grip pretty well. And the bar ends are Odyssey bar ends. And the forks are nitrous afterburner forks, white butted and tapered legs. The front hub is a kink viridian female axle laced to a éclat Exodus rim. And the tire is a Subrosa Gravedigger 20 by 2.3, 110 psi. And the back tire is an Odyssey Path 20 by 2.1. The cranks are Salt Plus and the pedals are Fit. The sprocket is Eastern Medusa 3D. I've had it for about a year and it's not really bent at all. And the chain is a Shadow Interlock V2 chain. And the back hoop is the éclat Trippin'. The back hub is red left-hand drive Demolition Rogue. And it has a hollow axle. You can see through it right there. And this right here is a signature part about my frame. It's Chester Blacksmith signature, and it says We the People right down there. Can't really see it that well because of my back hub. But, yep, that's my bike check.